For this assembly video, you will need 4 small screws, 4 tray screws, 8 acorn nuts, the tray, 2 tray glides, and the 2 tray supports. You will also need your own Phillips screwdriver and the provided Allen wrench. Begin by laying the desk on its back and mounting the 2 supports. Next, mount the sliders. It will help to preload the first screw for mounting, or use a screwdriver with the magnetic head. Raise the slider to insert the second screw. Next, mount the tray. Raise the sliders to get access to the proper holes. Congratulations, you're finished! Now go enjoy your new Xpressions workstation.